kugeria bantabati moigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo gwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganie gwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na gwokwegena muna ekale aho watagete ni gukwaye nyora gwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chireche biasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Chuo cha anuai cha Rirage Technical na Vocational College sasa kinawatangazia usajili wa mwezi Januari au January intake. Inatoa mafunzo katika vitengo kadhaa kama vile automotive engineering, electrical engineering power option ambapo unahitimu kwa viwango vya diploma au certificate. Katika electrical installation pia wana vitengo zaidi katika kosi hii. Mechanical engineering ambapo ufunzo wa production, wiring, fabrication na crafts na zingine nyingi. Hairdressing na beauty au ususi na utunzi wa nywele na ngozi, fashion and design. Ufunzo kuunda nguo za kisasa. Pia ujifunza embroidery, tie and dye, print, party and pattern drafting. Njoo ujifunze sasa. Applied science, scribble studies. Wako na kitengo cha kufunza ukulima ambapo wanafunzi wanajifunza ukulima na ufugaji. Kusajili au intake inaendelea. Katika kosi zote hizi una fursa ya kuhitimu na diploma au certificate. Rirage Technical na Vocational College ipo Kigugi Marani, kilomita 1 tu kutoka barabara kuu kutoka Kisii kuelekea Miruka. Wakufunzi wana tajriba kuu, pia wamehitimu kulingana na sheria za Wizara ya Elimu na TVET. Malipo ya karo ni chini ya udhamini wa serikali kuu au government capitation. Pia unaweza pata mkopo wa serikali wa Higher Education Loans Board HALB. Wanabweni safi au hostel. Kwa mengi zaidi tutembelea katika tovuti yetu www.riragya.tbc.ac.ke. Riragya Technical Vocational College, umechelewa kujiunga nasi.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Moragabo myo mwanche murigerera weri tukori Alhamis yechi tariki 20 mutinyo kabero mwaka wechiri 2005 nagosogeire ase otobate korwa no kwegena kwane buna kwabere kogochengera gwesemire kwego kire nawe yo kwimanyire gwetera emirobiri yabireke kogochira sembo kurubwaga kete gwekira Chinsa chiga Ikomi wono ni gona ikira semese Ekeonga ngomanye buna anarari ari aberega kagwateka kurwachi county emerongene na isano na ibere Chinsa ya Kenya nchenka tereni Nyaboga makori kura sense meri manyire kabana into ekomwero Mwancho murigereya abagisankyo abasane amone amate ya Nyagusira oyo kabeire umubugie giatabubokano omoka onyoni okuru kinyoro kyabo chori ni gobono be nakubolya abantu bo kubabya eri kwenya omugaka oyo nigo abeire gakubugyo bokano kuri umwaka bweri bweyamo chimikyanda 94 asabire kagosemya egesaku kyomugusi kwetera ase amatera yeyo kubugyo bokano
Kabutore getinge no chonga kale moyo insoborogoro baba boli insoborogoro baba boli mwana onye saka omukokoti nero ngegereti omusikio woko buyobokana orantaliri kinsemo kinde ao ekirangiri ono ontire keweke ngenderere
Asamari tengo fairness mukwantabo onyoni ngomenyora buno yo mo bartu atagete kubyobokano ko inyore compact entang tu aswageti maka 1994 to ayorogete nga egisu kyabo nchari ya vije tara mutuka mange sana igo to ya tangi sungereke tuoni kamenyate kerina egesbeni ke akarore manga to darede gore asuneka to achekera no pakayabe
ndo mu duwe pandi yake bacha bikings Onyani sakawana mwete wataka 1994 inga kia jetaria ase skuru ya Sunika Secondary bari mugaka nyachache tuko changire skuru area Onyani abwate timu ngara sana yani no muntu bwengecho osukiri omosiki bobokano ekagera abandi beribe bisete bakaboka bakamengo bokano na barabo abantu ngotegerera bali amona
Omwanche murigerera togotigana nayo nigo abarande ao korochi kanisa imena isiko ose korochi kanisa county Nyamira abateri na boigo abarai koro county ya Nyamira bakorawa no mugabana we county Nyamira almost nyaribo negati ya bari baikiranire asomo irobere bwa masabo buko isabera county ya Nyamira umuyega okorekana ase egetigia sironga
Simeon Mabea hapa. Simeon Mabea, tafadhali ndugu Simeon, tuweze kuharakisha kidogo. Viongozi wetu wa kanisa mliofika hapa, viongozi wa serikali, asante kabisa ndugu wananchi. Wakati wote kutoka sasa atakuwa na jimboi. Kwa hivyo ndugu wananchi, wakati wote kutoka sasa watakuwa wanafika katika uwanja huu. Ndugu Mabea karibishwa kabisa na viongozi wetu wa kanisa. Shangwe na vigelegele uwanja mzima, shangwe na vigelegele ndugu wananchi. Karibu katika uwanja huu wa Sironga. Theme yetu ya siku ya leo ikiwa ni Church on the Knees, jambo ambalo linaongozwa
Murigerera togoskabosio kroasense meria bocheno nigorit koria rero ebyombe ao kroense moyo bocheno omugaso rero byakwanera chinyomba cha bararia kroense moyangong road omochi o Nairobi okwane ekerekyo nigo bate babunati bagochigwanchirana montonde bwensi achigo chenche amachiko yobokoreri bwabo ase ensemeyo yokwena no bocheno.
Our regulatory bodies and their functions, that would be so foolish. So we want to tell them that continue what you want to do, but remember, you are going or you are asking to come to your doorstep. These comrades here have today decided that they are going to fight tooth and nail until this thinking is dropped. Until we liberate our regulatory bodies and organizations that define our training and our functions. Nursing Council of Kenya, as one of the, we are saying that we shall not allow anybody to change anything, to merge or to declassify or reforming any policy backwards.
Mwancho morigere na korwa sense meri yebyombe gose chisakos nigo umurikyo botambe Patrick Kremi atebire abakagero bobo kurume korwa sebyombe nigo barache kwimokerwa as egetambukero egetindi kerichi kwasaba atebire nige serikali yabekire bitambukero aho yogo chikwene kya obogacho buyabwe chibesa byabanyakyombe as chisakos ose ebyombe byo.
What I'm hearing from the investigators is that this is the first really loose case which they have put together. They are working on several other files because the forensic report was really very damning. It shows a huge outflow of cash. So we are expecting a lot of arrests. It will go from now the top management to the other cadres of employees and other people who are involved. So we are expecting quite a bit of arrests in the near future as they work on the cases.
The only thing that we are now doing is that to implement the strategy that we are putting in place to make sure that now in the next reporting, we will be reporting the recoveries that we are doing to make sure that the capital, we are bringing back the capital in the system, and that will also make sure that the circles that the performance of the union.
We've had several initiatives.
We have reduced even the number of the staff to make it more leaner and efficient. We have made sure that the internal controls are properly in place so that there is no any leakage of any single cent that we are having in the union. So I'm optimistic that now the union is up and running. Initially we had 246 staff. As we are talking, I think we are having 96 remaining, and we are also we are on the process of reducing the number. Probably maybe to 70, 60.
Our directive actually has been that KUSCO to concentrate on its core mandate, advocacy, training, and collaboration. Secondly, at the right time, we look at the opportunities we have in doing matters like central liquidity, matters like shared services, and as a union, being the union of SACCOs, we wanted to play its rightful role in the table when it comes to financial discussion in this country. KUSCO is an equivalent of Kenyan Bankers Association of the SACCOs.
And we have done a series of activities that will make the revival of KUSCO. One, we have identified where the problem was and who are recoverable and which is ongoing.
If you look at the report we have for 2024, we had mobilized savings of around 1.3 trillion, and of which 1.2 trillion was given out as loans. So we are better intermediate.
Mwancho morigere nigo serikali ya Kenya chakire umurobero na bayo ko basegeta ababundi bari babwate obumanyi bwo bundi korende twasomerete chikosiri cy'amaboko gose echo bobundi gukwana ekeracha kya umurobero gukwana ekeracha kya umurobero yibogo segeta ababundi imeye county ya Kiambu umurike botambe asense Maria Tivets moske daktari Esther nigateba nigo ababundi gwetania eriwe ya mochi isano na 350 warache gokonya ka korwase umurobero yo.
Development Bank has agreed to sponsor this process for 1,850 young people or even old who who want to be assessed?
The number of targeted beneficiaries from the Jua Kali are 1,850, and the average cost per assessment is 30,000 per candidate. And we are targeting those persons in Jua Kali sector across the country.
Natogo tigokorera niga omonogeri we bunge nene Omosike Moses Masika wetangura atebire okobugwa kwa Raila ase okorigya obonyakero gobori bwe kiombekiri kia AUC tibori gocha koremaria amagendro ase ensi ya Kenya.
Political realization and camaraderie, and above all the realization that Kenya needs all of us to contribute towards the betterment of the people of Kenya between His Excellency the President and Right Honorable Raila Odinga is not founded on quicksand. It's a solid engagement that is going to make this country move forward. You know, we go to elections. Elections, when they come, anybody can contest. After elections, these leaders have shown the country that that contest was to choose a leader. Upon choosing a leader, we close our ranks, we come together, and we look at the future of our country and how to better the lot of its people. We want social transformation in Kenya. We want Kenyans to live better tomorrow than they are today, and that is the prayer of everybody.
Mwancho murigerera wikaraga abonongo tuwikire omwere w'Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi tukuri Alhamis asenchira yobwenga omwere korende ayomona yanda mange nechiko yanyara Chinsa ibere na Chinsa inyechobotko bwarera no yominto Haron ototo nyangiri ncengatire Nyaboga Wilson Makori kora sensemerie bimanyerero twakuganeirie oborigerira borobya asemerero ya Getembe TV ekobwatia boigo genda gochengera kobwatia OSM imanye na boigo kigwetera omoroberiro bwekerorano ogochikoreto na onkorogo kebacha maki opiyo na boigo DJ Top Shop. Bye bye tumrane rit Korea angyo.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo gurigarua